Sanding is one of those things you can't escape. Not many of us like doing it, but it goes with the territory. One way I have made it easier for myself, apart from buying a battery-operated orbital sander, is to use cloth-backed sanding paper. I'll put a link below where I sourced mine from. What I really like about this paper is that it's easy to work with. You can tear it along a seam, glue it to substrates, and best of all, it's colour-coded for easy identification. I've made a few sanding blocks by gluing a piece of the paper to scrap MDF or pine. This makes for quick and easy work around the workshop. The glue you use doesn't seem to matter. I've used all of these, so whatever you have that works for craft will be fine. One of the best bits of kit I have is something I saw in Colin Knecht's Woodwork Web channel. Make a sanding block for the fine adjustments you want to do on your shooting board. Just be careful not to wear the surface on the shooting board. I'll end up adding a runner on the outside of this block to keep it shy of the straight edge. What do you think? Let me know how you get on with these ideas. Bye for now.